What's up? What's up? Welcome back. We got some things to go over tonight. We're going to talk about a couple of well, one's for sure EV play. A couple are for sure. Maybe a third one entering the space. So we're going to break stuff down. First and foremost, you guys know, well, this is Pfizer high of day 41.66. We'll get back to that in the contest at the end of this stream video. Sorry. Let me just grab NIO. So let's go over this because I finally got my alert on NIO. If you guys know, we talked about this. Well, I've been talking about it. Like, I just like it down here. Now, I had my alert up here, so if we did break up, but I was going to be patient. I wanted to get this alert down here. Finally got it. Patience paid off. Anyway, I like that zone a lot, so I went ahead and grabbed some. I got the alert right here. That's when it went off. Unfortunately, it was not open in time for me to buy it. I did buy this. My fill was 39.67 or 62. I'll give the exact numbers right now. What a day, actually. 39.67. So grab a 39.67 pre-market, and then again as we started to push up. And what I'm looking for tomorrow, right, is this zone right here. A couple guys I know, they're waiting for actually that 30. Their fill was 39.25. They never got it, right? I got it pre-market, and it never looked back. Bounced out of that zone, took off. And even texting back and forth, it was actually Fat Man Zoom. I said, man, you're reaching for that. But even looking at the charts, no, that was just a type 1. They just sounded so cheap, and it's just weird thinking NIO sounded cheap like that. That being said, so we got the we talked about the bearish news Friday, right? Dilution, 60 million shares. Well, what actually had came in, and I don't know if we're just seeing the effects of this. That first of all, the announcement was right here. That was the bearish reaction, and I was surprised we didn't sell off. I was kind of thinking, I'd be buying NIO today at this zone right here because we didn't sell off Friday. Friday was like a red day in general. We already had the 60 million share dilution announcement, but no sell-off. I was like, that was kind of a bullish sign to me. It looks like we were just hanging out. We got the revised numbers. Now, they said we are going to sell 60 million shares with the option to buy 9 million more. Now, they gave it to investors at a discounted price of 39. Right where that zone's at. You know, those investors, they're probably subscribed to me. They like that zone. That's what I have to assume, at least. So we got that. They took advantage. They ended up buying 68 million shares worth. Now, it's not done. I think they can actually still buy more. So that being said, they came out and said, we're going to sell these shares. We're going to raise some capital. 60 million. Do you guys want some more? Investors basically said, oh, yeah, give me some of that. You want to give it to me at that price? At that price, can I have a little bit more? And if you give a mouse a cookie, they wanted the glass of milk. They took full advantage of the situation. I got a little bit not as good as price as they're going to get, but overall, I kind of took that as bullish news. That being said, that's the fundamental side of things. If you're trading fundamentals, why are you looking at a chart anyway, right? Right now, we're going to focus on the charts, and this 41.65 to 42.80 mark right here, we need to get above that. Right now, we are still making lower lows, lower highs. I still love this stock. It is still in my investment account. Everything I'm talking to you right now, trading account. Because I'm an investor in this, I'll just check this thing out in a few years. But because I'm trading this, got to watch these zones. So I'm going to watch out for a rejection right here. Getting above that, I am looking to add on. In fact, I almost grabbed some more just before we close extended hours. Decided against it. I'm going to check this out tomorrow morning. I kind of think I think that was probably the bottom. We gapped down. We got to watch out for everybody talking about we filled the gap. Hopefully. You know what? I'm going to add on at this zone again. If we sell off and hang out here. Now, if we do sell off, I got to watch out for the fact that we're making lower lows. Like lower highs, I'm going to have to assume lower lows. So I will patiently wait for this zone or for it to come down, awkwardly turn around somewhere here in the middle, get back above this zone. I'm going to add on to this NIO position right now that I'm currently trading, swing trading, in this zone or this zone. So tomorrow we get up here or we even gap above and come back down and test it. That to me would be, I would rather buy in this top zone. I would love tomorrow that we gap up, right at market open, we sell off. We tag this from the top. I get a fill. We start to work our way up and trend our way up. Right now, we're about to have the hype coming in from NIO Day. I believe that's January 8th. They're supposed to announce some new stuff. I think this capital was raised for that. So I think we're going to start seeing the hype start rolling in on this. So I told you guys we were going to go over one more trade, one more EV play. Is it Amazon? Amazon unveils self-driving robo-taxi, can travel up to 75 miles per hour and can run up to 16 hours on a single charge. So it's electric and it's a robo-taxi. Bezos, did you model this after your puffy vest? What is going on? Guys, just call up NIO, call up Fisker, call up Elon, say, hey, can you give me some pointers so we don't look like this and people take us seriously? I already walk around in a puffy vest. People don't take me seriously for that, but I got a lot of money. They'll hear you out and take some design tips from their crew. That being said, Amazon, is it coming back to life? We got this this bigger picture, a whole lot of nothing, and higher lows coming into play. Higher lows, lower highs. We left that zone, didn't quite make it there. We pulled back. I am still bullish on this, so hopefully we start to rock and roll. I just wanted to actually touch on that. And you guys know we can't make a stream without talking about Tesla. Boom. So we got the breakout day up. I think we're starting getting into some hype, which is why I pulled up the options chain expected move here. At this point, red candles should not be showing up, right? If a red candle shows up with hype going into it this week, red candles tell me that that hype might be going the wrong way, so I'm going to be a little bit touchier with this position. Trail it. I'm not going to be quite as loose as I was last week, with giving it the benefit of the doubt, maybe buying on the dips. Red candles start showing up. I think something's up, so I'm probably looking to get out. But as green is good, more green candles than red, we're rocking and rolling. So I'm going to be very cautious of the red candles. Keep an eye out for this $700 mark. Options change prices out at an $84 move. I bet we're going to tag one of these lines. So if the red candles do show up, watch for that thunder to show up. Just thunder, lightning, whatever's scary to you guys. You don't want to just rock that thing all the way down there to that 520 zone. That would not be a fun time. We all agree Tesla should go up. Now we do have a lot of buying that's about to show up, so it's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out after. With about 75 billion showing up to buy, this was 5 billion selling. What's 75 billion? What's 50 billion? What is 10 times this going to be to the upside? Don't let me FOMO you into, because it's not just that easy. There's a million ways they can manipulate this and take your money should they choose so. Okay? So don't FOMO into that, but I am still bullish there. Looking to get above this 645, 655 zone right here. And let's just break out up. Let's just touch that $700 mark just to say we did. All right, now to wrap this up, make this short, sweet, to the point. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that bell because I'm giving away a 1 month to my mentorship. I'm doing a video every day up until the inclusion. So we got another week. We got about 10 days. Well, Christmas Eve. I'll do that. So you got about 10 days. I'm going to do a video every day, and I'm going to announce the rules. So yesterday's rules were Pfizer. What is Pfizer's high of day? And I told you guys it was 41.66. Now, if we look at the previous video's comments, you guys, there were 4 of you, right? Top to bottom. One was 19 cents off, 17 cents off. One was 10 cents off. And Scott Chow, you were 9 cents off. So, message me on Discord, screenshot your account, let me know it's you, prove it's you, so I get that over to you. You can get hop on into the mentorship and enjoy. Let's kick off that 2021 the right way. And tonight's rules. What is going to be Tesla's high of day tomorrow? You have until the market opens to give me your answer. No posting after. As soon as that bell hits, no more comments on this video down below. So let me know. Post it all down there. Let me know you haven't been in the mentorship. What is going to be Tesla's high of day tomorrow? And I will see you guys, what's today, Monday? I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tesla Tuesday.